What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Vic up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're getting ready to go for a test drive in a 1977 Corvette. This one here has the matching number original motor in it. Looks like it's got AC set up, power steering. Disc brakes in the front and rear. What I like to do is take them down the road, point out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures inside out and underneath. We do have financing, we do have shipping available. Hit that subscribe button. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, go to look at this interior, check everything out. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Sure, yeah. Inside of this car smells like some cleaner, I guess like Armor All. Smells pretty good. The dash is nice and clean. Got your CD player, your console. Starts right up. Your tax coming up. I can show you the mileage. Hard to stand behind it, but it does have an original motor. These very well could be the original miles. Tilt column, telescoping. Is it? Is it? Should be. Maybe I have to get my two hands on it. Looks like I'm doing it right. I don't know. Oil pressure is all the way up. I'm not sure if that's correct. Water temperature looks about right, about 190. Gas gauge is up, volts is up. Radio jamming. Let's see if this AC works. It kicked on and it's slightly blowing. There it goes. Compressor is on. It pulled down on the motor. I am waiting for freezing cold air though. It should be working because the compressor's on, but it's maybe blending both heat and cold, so it does need a little bit of work. So there's that. All right, let's take off down the road. Oh yeah. I'm pushing hard. No horn, no honk. No honk on that one. All right, let's take off down the road. Okay guys, getting ready to take off down the road. Anything that I see that's wrong with this, I will let you know. Our emergency brake was squeaking. It does work. A little squeaky as soon as we started rolling there. Go ahead and check our turn signals before we leave. They are popping up on the dash on both sides and they are working. As soon as I turn, it turns. It's turning great. Checking the steering here, trying to get it straight. Car's going straight down the road, not seeing an issue there. The speedometer is coming up. Let's try our brakes. Brakes feel nice, they're stopping fast. Kick down does work, and it is hooked up. Coming on up through here, we're definitely going to stop at the gas station and get us a little bit of fuel. It's showing E right now, and we'll see if that works. coming up on the gas station now. So about $20 worth of premium fuel in this ride. We'll keep her going. Windshield wipers work. I just tried them out. All right. We'll pull in over here. Get some fuel. All right, guys, up here at the gas station. Just talked to a guy from our local police department. I want to give them a shout out. Thank them for keeping our lots safe here. We did put $20 worth of fuel in the tank. And we're going to check that gas gauge here in just a moment. Okay, so we're jumping up in the car here, checking the dash out. And that gas gauge is working. Let's go. Okay, getting ready to take off here. I did notice the brakes are a little bit squeaky right now. We got a guy, hopefully he can get to it. Kind of check them out and see what he can do to make the squeaking stop. Because the brakes feel awesome. I mean, I hit them, I don't hear no rubbing. Everything feels good. They're just squeaking. I don't know if it's the emergency brake sticking a little bit. As long as we can get to it in time, we'll have them look at it. But so far so good. We've been rolling around this parking lot. Engine temperature's the same as it's been, 190, 200. Oil pressure's at 65. And the walk around went real well. I want you to check that out. So walk around, point out all the flaws that I could find on this car. Pretty smooth ride, easy to drive, motor sounds good, steering's good, brakes are good. Kick down's hooked up. She's pulling pretty hard. I know these didn't come with a whole lot of horsepower, but this one's not too bad. She's got some get up and go. speed bumps coming up right here. Listen for rattles and shakes. It was nice and smooth. Not too bad. And we got one little stretch here. We'll manually shift it. Nice and smooth. All right, we're gonna turn around in the parking lot over here, and I think y'all will appreciate it. It's called Brian's Motorsports. Check them out. Fully customize your car with them. Lots of people buy cars from us and immediately drive them down here, get wheels, tires, all kinds of custom interior done. They have locals come up and do concessions. Anything you need, these guys have got it going on. Actually just ate that barbecue today. It was really good. He's got a showroom. Actually, my truck's down here right now getting worked on. I just bought some wheels and tires from him. He's doing a little bit of a lift in the front of my truck, try to level it out. I mean, look at that. He does a lot of new model stuff. He does all the old classic stuff, your square body Chevys, your Dodge, and definitely Chevelle's classic American muscle cars is one of his things. So check him out, briansmotorsports.com. He don't ask me to do this. I just really like his business, and I shout out for him all the time. So we're heading back to the lot now. Hopefully I didn't cover up the mic on my camera doing that. Just quickly grabbed it, didn't think about where my fingers were. We're rolling up to the car lot now. I'm gonna grab another car. We're gonna keep on rolling and doing these test drives. Woo! That was a tight fit. That's what I'm talking about. Check out maplemotors.com for finance and shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. Watch both videos before you give us a call. And look at those detailed pictures on my website. We buy cars every single day. Look at this lot. Always getting something new. And we try to provide you with every single bit of information we can on these rides. All right, guys, I'm gonna grab another car. We're gonna do another test drive. Hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching, and thanks for sharing these videos. It helps us out greatly. I'll see you soon. Later, guys.